Want to make your RMoney Tradion account more secure? You can now use TOTP login, which adds extra layer of security to your account and helps protect it from unauthorized access. In this video, we will show you how to set it up and use it while logging in. So let's first understand what is TOTP. So TOTP stands for time-based one-time password. So instead of receiving an OTP through SMS, a unique 6-digit code is generated on your phone using an Authenticator app. And these codes keep automatically change after every 30 seconds, which making it a more secure way to log in. So before setting up the TOTP, you need an Authenticator app on your phone. So you can download Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator from Play Store and App Store. So once it is installed, keep it ready. We'll use it during the login process. Now in order to set up the TOTP, open the RMoney Tradion app. Now enter your client ID and password. And now tap on register for TOTP. So an OTP would be sent to your registered mobile number. Once you enter it and after verification, a QR code will appear on your screen like this. Now open the Google Authenticator app. Now once you tap on the plus icon in this Authenticator app, you will get two options. Either you can scan the QR code or you can manually enter the setup key. You just have to simply add the code name and from the Tradion app, copy the setup key, paste it here and click on add. And now you can see that the Authenticator app will immediately start generating a 6-digit code. So all you need to do is enter this code and click on proceed. And that's it. Now your TOTP setup is complete. So the next time you log in, all you need to do is open the Authenticator app and locate the Tradion account code and now enter the 6-digit code shown there. Tap on confirm OTP and you will now be logged in securely. Here are key points which you need to keep in mind while using TOTP login. The TOTP code keeps on changing after every 30 seconds. Always keep access of your Authenticator app. Never share your TOTP with anyone. And in case if you change your phone, you will need to set up the TOTP again. So in case if you have any doubt, please comment down below. Until then, happy trading.